Tired of downloads taking forever and never seamlessly integrating with your Chrome browser? Today, we're tackling how to add the IDM, or Internet Download Manager, extension to Google Chrome, even with a few potential roadblocks. First, make sure you have IDM already installed on your computer, since the extension relies on it. Now, open IDM and navigate to Options. It's usually under the Downloads or Options menu at the top. In the Options window, find the Integration tab. This is where you'll manage which browsers IDM works with. Make sure the box next to Google Chrome is checked. If it's already checked, uncheck it, click Apply, then recheck it and click Apply again. This can sometimes force IDM to re-register the extension. Next, open a new tab in Chrome and type Chrome Extensions into the address bar. Then hit Enter. This opens Chrome's Extensions page. In the top right corner of the Extensions page, you'll see a toggle labeled Developer Mode. Turn this on. With Developer Mode enabled, click the Load Unpacked button that appears on the left side of the page. A File Explorer window will pop up. You need to navigate to your IDM Installation Directory. This is usually in your Program Files or Program Files x86 folder, under the folder called Internet Download Manager. Inside the IDM folder, look for a file named Insect.crx. Select this file and click Open. The IDM extension should now be successfully added to Chrome. You should see the IDM icon appear in your Chrome toolbar. If Chrome gives you a warning after a restart, just enable the extension again from the Extensions page. Enjoy your faster downloads.